Hello friend, welcome. Do you want to generate a lot of fake test data? In many situations, while doing the testing, we need a lot of fake test data. And we generally used to use either writing in Excel file or somewhere in some of the tools, or we might be generating it using the faker libraries. And yes, of course, like these days there are lots of AI tools as well. By using them, we are generating the fake test data. But to simplify all these problems, because if you are writing in Excel manually, that is of course a big time like hassle and problem. You will end up wasting a lot of time. Then another one is like if you are writing the code faker libraries, using faker libraries, unless if you are not really expert in writing the code or able to understand those libraries, then it is again a challenge. And of course, writing code itself is a challenge, and maintaining that code. Another thing, like if you are using this chat GPT or any AI tool, you will have to write a lot of prompts, and you will have to pass the like proper, every time you will have to change the prompt if something has to be done. And of course, it might not be able to generate the kind of data you want, and lots of writing will be there. So to avoid all these problems, we have this auto test data, a single page web application to generate a lot of fake test data for you, just in 3 simple clicks. That's all. You just open AutoTestData.com from here, SelectorsHub.com. You can bookmark this URL, AutoTestData.com, and whenever you need the fake test data, you just simply in 3 clicks generate it. Let's say you want to generate name, phone, email, currency, number, range by default, and then what format, in which format you want. Like I want in JSON format. How many number of rows you want? 10, let's say. Just click on generate. That's it, and the data is generated. And if you look at the data, it looks like very genuine data. So this is how, just in simple 3 clicks, you can generate the fake test data what you need. Now suppose if you don't need the currency, you can delete it. If you don't need number range, or let's say you need a number range between 100 to 500, and if you want to change the column name, let's say this is my average or salary, let's say, then this will be there. If you want to generate the email ID with a particular domain name, like let's say you want to generate the email ID for SelectorsHub.com, you want the phone number plus with +9, you want the name, like you just want the name as in like first name and last name, so you can have first name here, duplicate this, and last name. And now you see that first name, last name, phone, email, salary. If you want to add more data type, of course you click here and you can select, like let's say I want the credit card, I can select this, add this. If you want pin code, anything you want, that you can add from here. Now here you have JSON, XML, HTML, CSV, in whichever format. Let's say I want in CSV format. How many number of rows? I want 20, I want 50. Click on generate. Just in fraction of second it will generate the data here, and that looks very genuine. You see that name, first name, last name, mobile number, email ID, then the number range, and then the credit card. Isn't it amazing to generate the fake test data just in simple click? You can copy this data, you can download this by clicking on download button here. If you want to copy, you can copy. If you want to regenerate the data, you can regenerate as well. Just click on it. So this is very helpful tool, which is already being used by more than 48,000 testers. If you guys haven't tried it, do give it a try. This will very helpful. If you don't find any field here or under select type for you what you need, then we have this like alphanumeric field as well as number range. So if you need any field which you don't find it here, you just add this like alphanumeric field here, add, and you can rename this column as per your column name. Like let's say this is demo for an example, then in that case you can add it here. What could be the length of that particular this field? What will be the length that you can give? Like okay, this would be 10 character length, then you can give it that. and then you can generate it. So you see that alphanumeric value is generated. So this is how you can have these value. You can generate, you can duplicate, copy. If you don't want to select some of the row, you just uncheck that, it will not be generating. So lots of things are there. You want to drag and drop, you can drag and drop. Amazing features are there in this particular simple tool. Very simple UI we have provided so that like everybody can use. This is AutoTestData.com, guys. Very helpful tool, yet very simple. Use this utility and utilize this. Save time, share it with others whomsoever you feel that this can be beneficial, and do let everyone know about these amazing tools of SelectorsHub, which are already helping 1.5 million testers across the globe. Do check out other tools as well if you haven't checked out. And thanks for watching. Please do share these tools with others. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.